Cisco HyperFlex Upgrade 3.0 to 3.52H. Part 1. Download UCS software bundles. This workflow shows each step in the process of upgrading from Cisco 3.0 HyperFlex to 3.52H. We'll begin with downloading UCS bundles. Refer to the release notes for software compatibilities of HXDP, UCS, and VMware when planning the upgrade. You'll need to download these software bundles from cisco.com. Log on to Cisco HyperFlex software download site, and from the search bar, search for the HX Data Platform and click on the HyperFlex HX Data Platform link, and then 3.52H. Select the shopping cart icon for Cisco HyperFlex Data Platform Upgrade Bundle for upgrading existing HyperFlex clusters from a previous release. First, read through the software advisory to confirm whether any issues may apply to your environment before proceeding with the download. Once confirmed, click Continue Downloading. Next, click the shopping cart for your corresponding Fabric Interconnect software bundle. For this example, we'll choose the UCS Infrastructure Software Bundle containing NXOS software for UCS 6332 and the software for the UCS B Series and C Series. Click on your card icon, confirm you have all four bundles, and click Download All. Accept the license agreement and choose Save File for each bundle. You can view your download progress from the download icon. Next, download the latest version and run the HyperCheck utility. Instructions for using HyperCheck are located here. Browse to the HyperFlex HyperCheck utility site and click on the Clone or Download drop-down. Select Download Zip and OK to save the file. Log into the cluster management IP address using any SCP client with root privileges. Navigate to the HyperFlex HyperCheck master zip file and drag it to your temp directory for the cluster IP address. Log in as root to the controller VM management IP address using SSH, and unzip the HyperFlex HyperCheck master zip file. Enter Python hxtool.py and the HX cluster and ESX root passwords. The check utility takes approximately 10 minutes to complete. Once the check is complete, verify the results. If there are failures, then you'll need to follow the given instructions and rerun the check. If there are failures, you can perform the steps for any given workaround solutions, confirm the cluster storage capacity and check settings, or contact tech for help fixing the issue. For this example, start with verifying that the net.teamPolicyUpDelay default value is set to 3000. To rerun the check, open and log into your web client and navigate to the HyperCheck master zip. Enter Python hxtool.py and the HX cluster and ESX root passwords to start the utility check process again. Once the check is complete, check and confirm that there are no failures. If there are errors you're not able to fix, contact the Technical Assistance Center.